is gonna hit, but I just love.
Standing out is better than fitting in.
Never take my kindness for weakness.
I may not be smart, but I'm pretty.
Happiness means never having to apologize for being me.
Definitely don't want to see Shante because she stopped everything. I think so. She just basically stopped everything because she that chat me with her and them just not talk them about everything. I'm not like you.
See her there right now. She a come. Hey guys. Hello Maya.
You don't talk to me like hypocrite. I just stop everything.
I never set up nothing.
Yes, it's up. You're not talk about me. Yes, you are not that.
I never
yes,
set up. I never set up.
Yes,
I never set up no.
You stop everything. I'm not like you stop everything.
Stop.
Me not care either. You stop everything. I'm not care either.
We can't stop going to our kids. We can't very good at this. We want to have fun.
Whatever.
Officially set her up now. I never set up nothing. So why that Mya and Ashley them and you know like not chat her? Because they just want everybody to have fun.
Have fun? Yeah. I know what I not chat her?
Nobody there chat her. Only Shante and her big fat man.
So Shante had the problem.
Wait till she comes. I don't even think she'll come.
She better not come because I'm about to pick with she.
Lord have mercy, this one bag of drama. Come, I could just enjoy yourself and go on the bones and bones.
Yes, you bugs me. What me must do about it? When you feel you bug somebody, you must turn around and say sorry. That's not in my vocabulary. Because you're done, so that and is that supposed to be funny?
I can't believe that this really dragged me out.
Shut up now!
Watch it. I'm going to just call Ashley and see if she did it. Ashani, without you, come out here. Come forward, please.
Feeling on the summer day when you were gone, I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched, I let it burn. I threw your into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't
A piece of drama that you go on in there.
Give me the mix up. That's what the mix up I'm good.
Mya have it for say, I mean set her up, I make Ashley beat her.
No, but you would never do that.
That's what I said.
I can't want to do one because just go in and enjoy yourself.
I don't mean to say ya.
You remember the academy after I find in Europe? Guess what? I got accepted. Oh my god.
Really? That's good. Yes. That's great. I'm happy for you now. So you're gonna leave Jamaica?
Yeah. I'm gonna miss you. Let's go, Alan. Let's just go.
Your girl, I mean my girl, fool. What do you do?